Here's Uizard Wireframe tutorial. Here's how to turn a hand-drawn sketch into a wireframe. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can turn a hand-drawn sketch into a wireframe. So make sure you watch this video till the end. And this is a step-by-step video, guys. So yeah, you had to stick around to actually know how you can turn a sketch into a wireframe. So yeah. So first of all, as you can see, I'm in Uizard main dashboard, and here what you have to do is just press new blank project and go for web. Alright, so it's loading up. So as you can see, I'm here right now, and I have all the options right over here. And you just don't have to do anything right over here. Just go to magic. Alright, once you go to magic, as you can see, I have these some options right over here, but I have to go to wireframe scanner. So the wireframe scanner turn your hand-drawn sketches into wireframe designs. Alright, so I basically have an hand-drawn sketch, but it's not actually hand-drawn because I made it in Paint. So you can go ahead and make yours for Paint too, but obviously I made it for an example. As you can see, I have this drawing right now. Alright, so once you have this, as you can see, just go to wireframe scanner, and as you can see, it already gave me some examples right over here. I can use these examples. So let's just check out the example, then we'll put in our own and check if how it goes. So let's just select this one, alright, and press import. So it's uploading the image, and see how we get it. And yeah, as you can see, it's processing right now, and see how it goes. Alright, let's just wait. Why there seems to be my internet? My internet is good. It disconnected us. I don't know why. Let's just go back again and do the same process. Wireframe scanner. Alright, so as you can see, I cannot use their example now. So let's just use our own and check how it goes. So I'm just gonna use this drawing, press open. It's uploading the image, alright. And there we go. Screenshot detected. It seems like that the upload image is the high fidelity screenshot. Would you like to use screenshot scanner instead? No, it's not a screenshot. It's a hand-drawn. Alright, let's press import and check how it goes. That's not hand-drawn basically, but yeah. And yeah, oh my god, that's pretty accurate, as you can see. I put it home over there, and input field, and basically the stuff that I wanted to, and there are some people's picture too, and obviously I can edit them. And as you can see, I can put it wherever I want. So let's just make something professional to check it out how it goes. So I'm just gonna go ahead and paint again and make something more better. So here, as you can see, I've made the previous one by the paint again. How we're gonna make something better this time around. So we're just gonna use this. You can basically make your own hand drawn too, but right now at a time I don't have any papers on me, so I'm just gonna draw this from my paint instead. So once you have like made this, let's just simply create some of these. Alright, gonna make it look as cleaner as possible. Again, we're gonna go from this side to each and every side should be perfect length. Alright, there we go. It's looking pretty good. I'm gonna take it to all the way down. Alright, now we have some of them right over here, so we don't need these. But let us create a pattern from here. Alright, let me do this. Stretched out. Let me put it again. Connects to it. Yep. And now we're just gonna put in the dots again. Alright. Again, we're gonna do the same thing. Just looking pretty clean for now. Yeah, let's just put some text right over here. This is gonna make it huger. Name. Obviously, I can edit the font too. Here we go. Now for here, contact. Right, and here helpline. Alright, now we're gonna put some product pictures, just so this is a website. So how we are gonna, basically, we're just gonna use this again, and again this, here again. Alright, now we're just gonna type in mobile phone. Alright, tablet, and a headset. And let's see how it goes. I'm just gonna make some circles too, just in case. Here we go. Now let's see how this hand-drawn sketch goes. I'm just gonna type in something like this. Alright. Again. Yeah, looks pretty good. Let me just save it. Save, and let's check. Now we go back here again. This is our previous one. Let's just check out our different one. Let me put this aside. And this is our new screen, alright. So let's just check our new screen right over here. We're just gonna type in, again, we go to wireframe, upload, and drawing number 2, alright. It's uploading the image. Let's check how it goes. As you can see, this is the same drawing that we drew. Import. So it's again processing. Let's check how it goes. So yeah, as you can see, guys, it gave me a view too, as like we drawn name, contact, helpline, and a picture and something to go ahead, phone, tablet, etc. So yeah, it basically works. So yeah, that was it for today. Yeah, so yeah, that was it. And that was your Uizard Wireframe tutorial, and that was it on how you can turn a hand-drawn sketch into wireframe. So yeah, I will help you guys out, and this was it for this video. So yeah, I subscribe to my channel will be helpful, and peace out until then. Goodbye.